I'm hungry. You're hungry. Welcome to my channel. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be making some chicken wing dip. You gotta have your chicken breast if you're making chicken wing dip. Make sure you cut off all the fat, all the veins, anything that does not look like chicken, cut off. This chicken, it was good after I cut everything out. Like, as you know, there's a whole chicken shortage and all that shit. So that means they pumping up your chicken more, like with hormones and shit. I mean, everybody know, right? Anyways, the best thing you can do for yourself is cut off everything to avoid more dangerous causes and stuff like that. Make sure you clean your chicken because you need to clean your chicken. So I clean my chicken with some lime squeeze. I put all the limes on the tray. I already have water boiling. That's just because for the chicken, we're actually going to boil it instead of just cooking it on the pan. You're going to see why later on. So I added some garlic powder. After I added some garlic powder, we're going to put some onion powder. This is just to add some flavor to the water. Make sure we're mixing it around. Make sure every section is getting it. We will add more seasoning later, so don't even worry about it. After 2 hours or 90 minutes, it's up to you. The longer, the more tender it will be. I'm going to take out some chicken in portions, and I'm going to turn on my um, it's not a blender. My mixer, that's what it's called. My mixer not mix up all the chicken, but it's a way to shred chicken. If y'all want to see more kitchen hacks, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what kitchen hacks y'all want to know about, any tips y'all want to know about. Make sure you comment down below so I can give you the video. So I'm going to melt the butter, and this is just like the beginning of making the actual chicken wing dip sauce and stuff like that. The steps before was to prepare you for this moment. So make sure if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. We're on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Soon I'll be posting videos on Facebook Watch. Make sure you tune in. And if you haven't already, join my giveaway. Giveaway on my Instagram. If you don't live in Buffalo and can't get the free play, don't worry. I'll definitely have something for you. Just let me know. But make sure you tune into my giveaway I have in the corner. What my giveaway is. We got free money. You like free money? Tune in. So I hope you enjoy that satisfying clip of the butter melting. So when it starts bubbling, you know it's about to get ready and it's about to add the other ingredients. And wait, don't forget to enter the giveaway. It ends August 11th. The giveaway ends August 11th. So you're going to add some ranch to it. I put like half the bottle just because it was a lot of food. Then some blue cheese. Yes, you mix blue cheese and both ranch. It sounds crazy, but it's really good. So after that, we're going to let it bubble a little bit as I get my other ingredients. I'm going to put a cup of water just so it can be more of a liquidy paste as we put the different seasonings. Plus, you want like a little off taste of not just dressing. You're going to have your cream cheese. You're going to kind of throw it into pieces. Making sure you're mixing that around, letting it melt. You're going to add some garlic powder, some onion powder, some oregano. They're gonna add some black pepper. You're gonna I don't even know if I'm making the right sound. Add some chili powder. Dark or regular works the same way. Some cayenne pepper. I don't know if I say that right. Or cayenne. Some crushed red pepper. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You're gonna add some ranch packets. Yes, this adds so much flavor to the food. And I'm adding a lot of seasoning for one of the main reasons is because the chicken itself doesn't have that much seasoning. And this is gonna be the paste that brings out all the different flavors. You're gonna see I divide into two different sections. So I allow the chicken to get flavor and then we add additional flavor. Try this out. Good reviews only, okay? So you're gonna throw all that shredded chicken, and I like a little thicky paste, so some red hot. Any hot sauce works fine, but for chicken wing dip, go with red hot. Some another packet of ranch seasoning, some more garlic pepper, and I'm gonna repeat some of the same steps of the previous seasoning just because the chicken is in the bottom and I also want the sauce with that flavor, and it just brings up so much flavor. You're gonna add some cheese just to start making that cheesy paste a little bit. You're gonna mix everything up after that, and you're just gonna make sure everything is getting all the sauces or the seasoning, and just making sure everything is coming together. As you can see it, the more I mix it, it's having a thicker paste, which is what you want, because you want to taste the chicken. You don't want to taste the liquid. That's why I add so much chicken. If you in Buffalo and you haven't ordered my food, what are you doing? Because you know I make the best chicken wing dip, okay? So I'm going to get my pan. I'm spraying it with some cooking spray. And then you're just going to pour all the chicken wing dip in there. I have it on the corner of what's the exact time you leave in the oven. And just making sure everything is spread out. The reason why it's bubbling is because have an electric stove, so it was like kind of still hot and shit, and we want to do it straight out the oven. So we're gonna just sprinkle some cheese, and you having it ready. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn off your notifications to be notified every single time that I post. Weekly uploads, if not every other day, we're uploading, okay? So tune in before it's too late. This was the final result, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.